Overnight, Russian Garin, 2 drones have conducted a coordinated attack on Ukrainian energy infrastructure facilities in Chernihiv. Several substations were caught on fire, and the city experienced several power outages. Another target of the Russian night airstrike was the railway junction in Konotop in the Sumy region. Fires were also reported at the airfield and an aircraft repair plant. The Russians are systematically destroying Ukraine's logistics infrastructure, thereby disrupting supplies to both troops and energy infrastructure facilities. Meanwhile, positional fighting continues along the Sumy section of the front. Neither side has been able to gain the upper hand. West of Volchansk, Russian assault troops have finished clearing Sinelnikov. They have also taken the Tatar forest and reached the Seversky Donets River in the same area. On the Lyman front, Russian units have advanced southwest of Yampol, cutting off the supply line between Seversk and Lyman. This road is crucial for the logistics of the armed forces of Ukraine in this area. The Russian command continues to tighten the ring around Pokrovsk. Assault units have advanced towards School 14 in the west of the city. The Russians have also entered Myrnograd from the northwest. To the east of Pokrovsk, a combined strike involving Iskander-M mobile missile systems and Russian aircraft was reported in an area where the 67th Separate Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine had been concentrated near the village of Vodolasko. This brigade was a reserve unit supporting the city's garrison. In the Tykoy area of the Dnipropetrovsk region, Russian airstrikes destroyed a temporary deployment point for units of the Ukrainian Army's 225th Separate Assault Regiment. On the northern flank of the Guliapol front, the Russian Vostok group of forces is advancing its offensive. They have crossed the Yancha River and captured the settlement of Yegorovka. In the center of this section of the front, the Russians have captured the village of Privolnoy. Krasnogorskoy is the last settlement in this area under the control of the armed forces of Ukraine. On the Zaporizhia front, positional battles are underway near Novodanilivka in the Orkhov direction. In Malaya Tokmachka, Russian armed forces units are advancing gradually. Relative calm has prevailed on the front line over the past day. The Russian military has focused its efforts on attacking critical Ukrainian infrastructure. The main targets were energy and transport hubs in the Chernihiv and Sumy regions. Meanwhile, Russian army units have been regrouping and replenishing their ammunition supplies, as well as reinforcing their frontline units with reserves. Once these preparatory measures are complete, fighting could resume with renewed intensity in the coming days.